Wagwan subscriber. Happy New Year. Yeah, Happy New Year to all my subscribers. Come, walk there, Anissa. Walk one. Hurry up, walk to the front. Run, go on.
Run to the front?
Run, go on. Hurry up. Run, children. You can't run. Well, you pass the way now. Alright, at this moment we're heading to the airport to drop off someone. Yeah, showing you the view of the snow that we had first. Yeah, we don't normally get a lot of snow in Georgia. It's been a while now since we have like this amount of snow, so people are going crazy. Here we at the airport now. You know, one of the busiest airport. As you can see, it's huge. Yeah. This is ATL Airport. So you can do your research, check it out. One of the busiest airport. We are now heading out to give the kids them some food. Let them order what they want. We're taking them out to eat. Here again. The snow is here again. Welcome. Yardman Chef TV. So I go on. Alright. Showing you the snow. So this is the second snowstorm. Second snowstorm in Georgia for the year 2025. Go slow. Actually just started. So I'm going snow. It's crazy how the road is blocked. As far as you can look, it is Stone Mountain location, and I'm telling you, it's crazy how the road have ice on it. No vehicle can pass right now, if you can see. what's blocked the way, this Pepsi truck. Can somebody tell me what to do? I have to pass this truck. Come on now. You see, it's crazy out there. I have to pass this truck. Massive truck in the way, blocking the way. Can't move. I'm trying to make it cross. Don't get me. Woo, 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 woo. Out again, you know, people. No, the weather get warm again, so get ready for them outside vlogs. Look, electric scooter is over, so yeah. Bad, you know. Then, might jump on it and show you what it have to offer, right? Kids them over this, so I'm gonna have a little time. The park soon full, man. The warmer I get, the more people ever come out. This is the Evo Pro X Max.